I no deixem el freeride perquè l'equip de Central de Neu va entrevistar la rider de Peak Performance Evelina Nilsson per parlar de la pel·lícula Between, una pel·lícula feta només per dones i que participava la desapareguda rider sueca Matilda Rapaport.
Really fun. Like, it was my second, I was in the previous movie, and so I did know a little bit of how everything worked. And yeah, it's just so much fun to ski with inspiring women and just like help each other, picking up lines and doing our best. So it's really fun. I love it. Sandra wanted to do something special, so she wanted to do, that's why it's called Between, because it's the in-between moment. So it's like all of the kind of planning and stuff and meeting up with your friends and doing all like, and capturing everything that happens in between that you never really see otherwise. So that was a really cool thing, and it's authentic and it's for real. So I mean, it could be like you're like ooh, but it's all good. Like, it's us, and that's how we express ourselves. Yeah, it was really cool to meet her. Like, I didn't go on a trip with her, so I only met her for the premiere of the movie. But she is a really cool girl, and I love her. She's super cool. And yeah, I don't know, like, we're all human. It's no difference if you're famous or not. And that's what you notice when you meet people who are famous and who's still humble and kind. Like, every moment for her is the best moment, I would say. I don't know, it's just like her way of inspiring people and her way of making everyone feel part of the family and part of, like, every person she met was like, loved her and had the feeling that she really saw them. So that's something that I remember, and that's my best moments with her. I can tell because it's just every moment. And I'm just gonna remember her smile and her inspiration and her love and her compassion. Spread that. Yeah, I think it's like everyone is developing so fast, and it's really fun to see. And yeah, I think we're gonna, I don't know, I don't like to compare like people or female, male, just like whenever people are doing their thing that they really want to do, and you can tell because you see that they're liking it and loving it so much. So that's kind of my answer, just that you see that everyone is having more and more fun. Yeah, I was really nervous at the start, so it was good just to be like getting into comp mode again and putting down a run that I was just smiling when I was skiing, so I'm really happy about that. So I'm feeling confident and stoked and ready to do another competition. I used to mogul ski, and then I was kind of, I felt done with competition, and then I went just 1 year of just free riding, and I entered a competition in Sweden, and then it went pretty well, and then I was just like in love with the sport, so that's how it all started. I just prefer to do stuff that inspires me, so skiing, whatever, like I mogul ski a lot in the beginning of the season, and then just because I think it's so much fun, and then just ski with my friends and my family, and I do a lot of yoga, and I like to be outdoors and just, I don't know, just do whatever feels fun for the moment. And that's how I see training. I don't see it as training, I just see it as, what do I want to do right now? Oh, I want to climb a mountain, then I climb a mountain and I get stronger. It's just like that way of seeing it for me. I do go to the gym and like do a lot of core, but I just enjoy more to be outside. feel like home in Andorra because I feel like it's really playful, it's accessible skiing, the people are so kind, and this hotel, like they love us at the hotel, so they're like, I don't know, they're so stoked, and I really enjoy Andorra. I love the country. Been with them since 2013. The best sponsor. They provide me with so much like support and love, and I don't know, it's just super. I don't know the word for it because they're like a family, you know? It's my family, and you can really feel that, and they take care of you, and it's never an issue. Yeah, I'm really grateful for their support and thankful for our collaboration.